In today's video, we'll learn how you can make a velocity edit on your CapCut. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so here I have my CapCut open. Now first of all, create a new project and I'm gonna import a video from here and we'll make a velocity edit just using this clip. So first of all, I'm going to trim the parts which I don't want. I'll do it from the beginning and from the end. You also have to delete the ending. To make a velocity edit, first of all, we need to slow this clip. Just tap on this clip, go to speed, then click on normal, and then decrease your speed at around 0.3% and click on this arrow and select better quality so that CapCut will give you a smooth slow motion. Now it will take some time. After that, just simply export this clip at 60 frames and then simply add the clip that we have slowed. Now the second thing we have to do is add your music. Just click on add audio, select your music, now click on music and then here you will find beats. Just tap on beats and now mark your beats. Alright, so here we have done. Now in order to make a velocity edit, just trim your video on the beat, then fast forward the next clip, just change the speed to 8x and then again trim your clip when the beat ends. And for the next clip, just change the speed to the original one. Now you have to do this to all of the beats. Trim your clip on the beat, change the speed to 8x, and then when the beat ends, trim your clip again, change the speed to normal, and you have to do it with all. Alright, so once you have done with that, now we have to add an overlay. So for that, select overlay, then choose a solid color and adjust it to whole screen, then select and then click on this blend option, and from here also select overlay. After that, you just have to put this white color on the fast forwarded clips. Now once you have done with that, select this white color, go to animation, and then for the out animation, select fade out. Just hit check mark and do the same thing for all of the white color. And you have done. Now just simply export your clip at 60 frames and here you go. So this is how you can make a velocity edit on CapCut. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.